I'm live again. How are you? Nobody's on. Not yet. Oh, so we've got some people. So I thought that now that I've done my first live stream, hi Shawan, hi Arsh, I sort of got a good grasp about how things work, and I wanted to make a follower only and call it upper intermediate speaking, and I've actually only got 25 minutes to do it before my next lesson. So I'm going to write down, oh wow, we've got 10 people watching. Hi everyone, hello. I'm doing fine, Arsh, how are you? I'm doing just fine. So, I wonder, does anyone here have to take the Trinity exam? Trinity ISE, GESE. Hi Fahad, hi Hazam, hi Rovian, hi Hafed, hello. Hi Rawand, I hope you're doing well wherever you are. So, hi Sanjeev, hi Fahad. So then, I see I have people here asking to join. Okay, so I'll approve Tahir. Hi Tahir. Hi Vidya. Yeah, I decided to do another one. Let's see how it. Hi. Hello, Tahir. Is that Tahir? Tahir.